Assalamualaikum class. Exercise 3D, page number 57. There are some MCQs, fill in the blanks and true false. So we are starting from question number 1. These are some fill in the blanks. It's part A, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. According to board mass, we have to solve addition first. So विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम और इतने ज़्यादा स्टेप्स नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज इट्स आवर रफ वर्क. सो 5 is LCM because it's like fraction and denominator is same, so 5 is LCM and numerator will be write as it is. So it's a 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 means 0. Okay, it's 0, right? So we will write the answer over here. आप ज़ीरो सिंगल ज़ीरो भी लिख सकते हैं और ज़ीरो स्पेलिंग के साथ भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं, राइट? Part B over here, it's 3 by 4 multiply 12 by 15 divided by 24 by 15. There is no bracket at all. दो operations are in there. It's multiplication and division, and first of all we will solve addition over here. Addition को solve करने के लिए we will do reciprocal. 24 by 15, it's 15 by 24. It's multiplication and multiplication, both are same signs, so we will cross cutting. Okay, look, it's 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, right? Now there is now 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. It's 3 over here, 4 ones are 4 or 4 twos are 8, right? It's a proper fraction, so we will write 3 by 8 is the answer, right? Okay, now come to C part. It's mixed fraction. You can see it's 3 whole 1 by 10 plus 9 whole 2 by 10 divided by 9 by 10, right? First of all, you will have to solve your bracket. So 10 3 is a 30, 30 plus 1 is 31 by 10 plus 10 9 is a 90, 90 plus 2 is 92 by 10. Easy na? So divided by 9 by 10 we will write as it is over here because अभी इसको नहीं touch करना है. So 10 is the LCM, 31 plus 92. Okay, numerator as it is आ जाएंगे. So we will write over here 3 and it's 1 2 3 by 10. Now divided by 9, 10 9 by 10 जो है वो multiply 10 by 9 हो जाएगा. Clear? It's 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. So 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 ones are 3, right? It's 41. So we will write here 41 by 3. 41 by 3 means mix improper fraction. So we have to divide over here. 3 ones are 3, 1 remainder, ऊपर से भी 1 आएगा तो 3 3s are 9, remainder is 2. So we can write here 13 whole 2 by 3 is the answer. So we will fill the blank over here is 13 2 by 3, right? Okay, now we are starting part D. It's bracket 4 by 5 divided by 9 by 5 multiply 18 by 7 divided by 1 by 4. 14. Oh yes, it's 14. ठीक है? So bracket we will solve. First of all, it's multiply 9 by 5 will be reciprocal. It's 5 by 9. Multiply 18 by 7 as it is divided by 1 by 14 as it is. Right now it will be 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 4 or 9 cutting you have नहीं हो सकता. So we will 4 ones are 4 and 9 ones are 9. Right? So it's 18 by 7 and reciprocal will be 14 by 1. Right? Now multiplication is here. Multiplication is here. So we will cut like this. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. Right? There is no cutting at all. So 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So we will write 16 is the answer. Okay, now we are starting part E, where bracket is here. So 5 by 6 plus 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 7 by 9 multiply 3 by 14, right? So it ब्रैकेट और प्लस और माइनस दोनों के साइंस यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं. सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व फर्स्ट एडिशन like this. Minus 1 by 6 as it is, and 7 by 9 is as it is, and 3 by 14 is as it is. So 5 and 3, 8 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus bracket is here, 7 by 9 multiply 3 by 14, right? It's 6 LCM, 8 by minus 7, bracket अभी तक ओपन नहीं होगी, 7 by 9 multiply 3 by 14, it's 7 by 6. अब आ जाके my bracket open होगी, minus 7 by 9 multiply 3 by 14. So here is 7 and minus and multiplication. First of all we will do multiplication. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. We can see it's 7 by 6. We will write as it is, minus का sign, 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6, right? So minus का sign, 6 6 are like fractions. So we will write LCM is 6. जब LCM डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो न्यूमिनेटर भी एज इट इज उतर जाएंगे. It's 7 minus 1 is 6 by 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So we are having the answer is 1. So we will write the answer 1. Okay, now come to question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. A part is the BODMAS rule is used to solve expressions with more than 2 operations. So we know that according to BODMAS, where we have a lot of signs over here, ब्रैकेट्स, डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, यानी कि 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा जब भी साइन किसी भी एक सवाल में आते हैं, सो हमें BODMAS रूल को अप्लाई ही करना होता है. सो इट मीन्स ट्रू. ओके, BODMAS रूल जब भी एक सवाल में 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा जो है साइंस आते हैं, ऑपरेशंस आते हैं, ठीक है, तो उन एक्सप्रेशंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज BODMAS रूल. ओके, नाउ कम टू पार्ट बी इज 4 by 1 by 4. ओके, 1 by 4 multiply 2 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. They are saying answer will be 12. We have to check over here कि हमारा आंसर 12 आता है या नहीं आता. So first of all, it's multiplication and division. According to BODMAS, there are 2 signs. We have to solve first division. Okay, 1 by 4 multiply as it is, जो fractions हैं वो as it is आएंगे, divide will be changed in multiplication, so 3 by 4 will be 4 by 3, right? So we have to multiply या cross cutting, so it's 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, right? ठीक है, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now in numerator we are having 1 1 1, so it's 1, and denominator we are having 2 2 3, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. It's 1 by 4, so it's ये कह रहे हैं 12 है, हमारे पास आया है 1 by 12, so it's false. Correct? Okay, now part C is 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2 multiply 1 by 2, right? So answer is 1 by 4. अब हमें चेक करना है आंसर इज 1 by 4 आता है कि नहीं आता. So first of all, it's subtraction and multiplication. We have to solve multiplication first. 7 by 2 minus, there is no cutting at all, right? So we will multiply each other. Numerator is 5 1s are 5 and 2 2s are 4, correct? So it's माइनस का साइन, सो LCM is 2 और 4 का, so 2 and 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, so 2 2s are 4 is our LCM. So 4 will be divided with 2, यानी कि फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर 2 2s are 4, जो 2 आया वो 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, 2 7s are 14 माइनस 4 divided by 4 is 1 answer, 1 5s are it's 5, so we will write over here it's 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is improper fraction, so mixed fraction में change करेंगे, 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1, so we will write 2 whole 1 by 4. They are saying कि 1 by 4, we are having 2 whole 1 by 4, so answer is not matching, so we will write over here false. Correct? Now come to D part. We will write 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 minus, and bracket over here, minus 2 by 5. Its answer will be 1 by 5. We will check over here. First of all, we will write these fractions as it is, because I have bracket over here, so we will solve first our bracket. So denominator is same, it's 5, so LCM is same, and numerator also same. So 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 minus 8 minus 2 is 6 by 5. Correct? So minus and addition, subtraction, addition. So first of all, according to board mass, we will solve addition over here. LCM is same, numerator will same, and 6 by 5 we will write as it is. It's 7 by 5, we know that it's 6 by 5, so denominator is same like fraction, LCM is same, and numerator will write as it is, so it's 1 by 5. 1 by 5 and 1 by 5, these are same answers, so we can write it's true. Now come to E part. So we will write 4 by 7 divided by 18 by 21 multiply 5 by 9. Correct? Answer आना चाहिए 6 by 5. Okay? Answer should be 6 by 5. So first of all, division and multiplication. Division के दो fractions हैं, these one. So first of all, we will division को सॉल्व करेंगे. डिवीजन विल बी चेंज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, और ये उसकी सेकंड वाली फ्रैक्शन है, इट विल बी रेसिप्रोकल लाइक दिस, और ये वाली चेंज नहीं होगी, सो वी विल राइट एज इट इज इन द सेकंड स्टेप. सो 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, राइट? दोनों तरफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. सही. नाउ इट्स 4 and 18, it will be 2 2s are 4 or 2 9s are 18, right? Cutting is happening. अच्छा, ये भी है. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, right? ठीक है, ये मैंने कटिंग की है. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. जो ये 3 था, ये इसके साथ कट हुआ. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. सो न्यूमरेटर में क्या बचा है? 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 10, it's 9 3s are 27, और ये 1 है यहाँ पे, so it's 27. 10 by 27, so our last answer is false. Okay, 6 by 5 किसी सूरत में नहीं आ रहा, so we will write over here false. These are easy ना? So solve पहले करेंगे, उसके बाद true false का अंदाजा लगाएंगे. Okay? Okay, come to question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. Okay. Now part A is 1 by 3 multiply 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 8. There are 4 answers. इसमें से कौन सा choose करना है? First of all, we have to solve. Then we will write the answer. Right? It's 1 by 4 divide will be changed in multiplication. 1 by 8 is reciprocal by 8 by 1. So it's 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So numerator is 1 1 2, so 2 over here, then denominator is 3. So our answer is 2 by 3, right? Okay, now it's 3 by 10 and plus, and we are having bracket 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So 3 by 10 plus bracket हम पहले solve करेंगे. It's 2 by 5. Divide will be changed in multiplication. So 2 by 3 reciprocal, it's 3 by 2. Right? So cutting possible ना? So it's 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 or 5 cutting नहीं होता, so we leave it. So 3 by 10 over here, 1 3 is a 3 and 5 ones are 5. Correct? It's plus का sign, so we have to take LCM. It's 10 or 5, so 10 and 5, so 2 5s are 10, 5 is 5 and 5 ones are 5, so we are having 10 LCM. 5 2s are 10, right? 10 ones are 10, 1 will be multiplied 3, so 3 ones are 3. Correct? 5 2s are 10, 2 multiplied with 3 is 2 3s is 6. We are having 9 by 10. There is option, yes, this is the answer, 9 by 10. Correct? Now part C. It's 2 bracket over here. It's 7 by 9 minus 2 by 9 divided by 8 by 15 plus 1 by 15. Correct? So first of all bracket solve करेंगे. हम दोनों को इकट्ठा भी solve कर सकते हैं. Look, it's 9, denominator same, so LCM is same, and numerator also same. Divide का sign as it is, bracket as it is, 15, denominator same, LCM is same, and 8 plus 1 numerator as it is आ जाएगा. Sign change नहीं करने हैं. ये bracket minus की है, ये plus की है. Correct? आप बारी बारी भी कर सकते हैं. 7 minus 2 it's 5 by 9 divided by 8 plus 1 is 9 by 15. Divide का sign bracket जो है वो open हो गई है, so it's 5 by 9 reciprocal over here 15 by 9. So cutting is 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. बस इसके अलावा नहीं हो रही. So it's 5 5s are 25 and 3 9s are 27. So where is our answer? It's our answer, so it's circle over here. Okay. Now part D, it's bracket. It's 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Bracket, then divided by, I have no space, so it's 15 by 6 multiply 3 by 6. Okay. In bracket, there are two signs. Okay. Now plus का sign से पहले it's LCM is 8, numerator as it is, right, minus 3 by 8 as it is divided by 15 by 6 multiply 3 by 4. Okay, it's 8 by 8 minus 3 by 8 and 15 by 6 multiply. Okay, now this done, we will take LCM, numerator will same, so it's divide by 15 by 6. ये as it is आता जाएगा. Okay, क्योंकि इधर multiplication और division है. Multiplication की cutting पहले नहीं हो सकती because it's division. We have to solve division first. So 8 minus 3 is 5 by 8 divided by 15 by 6 multiply 3 by 4. These two fractions for division. So first step, we will write as it is, divide will be changed in multiplication, or this second fraction will be reciprocal like this, and multiplication 3 by 4 we will write as it is, right? So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? It's अब numerator में क्या बचा है? We are having 3 and 8 2s are 16. So we are having 3 by 16 here, right? Okay, now we are starting part E. 5 by 21 multiply 1 whole 2 by 5 divide, no, it's plus 5 by 9 and divided by 1 whole 2 by 3. Mixed fraction, improper fraction सारा कुछ mix ही है, ठीक है. So it's 5 by 21 as it is. Multiply, brackets नहीं यहाँ पे. Mixed fraction को change करेंगे. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 it's 7 by 5. Plus का sign, so it's 5 by 9 as it is. Divide का sign as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 3. Correct? First of all, division will be changed. बाकी सब as it is. ये. Okay? Now 5 by 9. Division will be changed. Multiplication. So it's 3 by 5 reciprocal. Plus का sign. Multiply. These two fractions will be multiplied. Okay? ये वाला 5, ये वाले 5 से बिल्कुल कट नहीं हो सकता. We have to solve these. ब्रैकेट नहीं है, so आपको इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है. So it's 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. ठीक है. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So same here. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Correct? इन दो फ्रैक्शंस का 1 1s are 1, 3 1s are 3 प्लस का साइन इट्स 1 1s are 1 और 3 1s are 3. ठीक हो क्या? प्लस का साइन एज इट इज है. ये दो फ्रैक्शंस की मल्टीप्लिकेशन हुई और ये दो फ्रैक्शंस की मल्टीप्लिकेशन हुई. यहां से वहां आप कटिंग नहीं कर सकते. ओके, इट्स 3 डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, सो एलसीएम इज सेम. एलसीएम इज सेम तो न्यूमरेटर विल बी आल्सो same. So 1 and 1 it's 2 by 3. Simple. 2 by 3. Where is 2 by 3? So we can mark over here. Okay, do these MCQs on the book. First of all, keep in mind, जब भी MCQs करना है, fill in the blanks करना है, true false करने हैं, आपको working करनी है. That's why you have to choose the right option, correct option. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.